softens up. Look at that. Okay. And then just right away, you just add in the cake batter. And then you want to add 3 eggs. Okay. 1, 2, 3. Good. And what you want to do is you want to take that and slowly make sure you get the eggs mixed up good. You're going to want to cook this really good. Look how nice that batter is whipping up. Perfect. Now we're just going to add the oil. You don't need to add water. Add 1/2 cup of oil right in there. It's okay if it overflows a little bit. Most of that is the watermelon juice. And you just continue to mix that. Get it mixed up really good. Okay? And because the cake is going to expand, you want to take out the top layer of this. So just take that out. And just put that to the side. It's a little sloppy, but that's why you cook it outside on the grill. Okay? So you got that. One thing I always do is I always add some marshmallows to the top. Just like that. You don't have to use Lucky Charms, they can just be regular marshmallows. Okay? And then you take your lid, just put the lid on top. Like that. You want to seal it up good before you take it to the grill. So just take some skewers, just kind of break them in half, and then just put them right down in there. Good. Just like that. Be careful not to hurt yourself. You don't have to do them, but every like 5 or 6 inches. Okay, and then bring your watermelon back to the grill. Sit it right in the center, press those down a little bit, just so you're going to be able to close the top. All right, let's fire up the grill. Perfect, just keep it on a medium to high heat, and then just close it up. Wow, feel that heat. Look how the top is raising up. All right, let that cool off a little bit. Make sure the flames have died down, and then have yourself something that you can pick it up. Okay, be careful bringing it to the table. All righty, let's take these out. Ooh. Hot, hot, hot. Alrighty, ready? Pop this off. Whoa, nice. Looks good, doesn't it? Ready for a slice?